Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Amazon on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, we've been doing a lot of live streams. Come by, check us out, bring a symbol. We'll look at it just like we're doing today with Amazon. So Amazon daily chart, $2.98 up, $1.20 down after hours, 6 million shares traded, 0.18% green on the day. What was interesting with me on 10-minute time frame, how Amazon was coming in and then just all of a sudden all these stocks just started fading. Right back to fill the gap. Once we filled the gap, we got the little bit of bounce, but it was just a weak showing today after, we gapped down, the market started going up and then just started fading, guys, and ended up just pretty much flat. So that's something to watch. We came into a big area, the 200 MA, and this big trend line with the triple tops, guys. So that was another reason why this thing's stalling out. If we do get above this area and continue going, then watch out for 1777.91, or even this like the 8. You could say, well, let's look at this pivot. Where's that? Is that the what's the high here? Around 1845. So yeah, even 1800, 1750. 1725, but good area here, guys. We retraced almost 100% from the December 3rd G20 China trade. Everything is good meeting. I mean, they just took this thing to the house, guys. This one didn't go as far as the rest of them. It's Amazon, but it still came down to these low pivots, and we talked about the 1350 area for a while. And we also talked about the 1265 area. So we hit the first one, boom, straight back up, right to great resistance. Will we come back in? We're going to find out. I'm going to pull this one a little bit higher now, though. I want to go from the big pivot right here before the first time we went down. Look at that, 750 retrace as well. Big area for this one, and the 1700 even number. So earnings will be the way this thing takes it off, or possibly drops it back to the lows. Amazon, guys, 50-50 shot in earnings. Who knows what this one will bring. And earnings, I believe, on the 30th or the 31st of this month. So it's coming up. If you have any positions, just be careful. Especially if you bought down in here, guys, the dip, and you got this nice little run, take something off the table. Don't be a greedy pig. Just when there's profits, guys, take them in these markets, because this thing damn well can be straight down to the bottom again. Who knows? I mean, look at this choppy action, guys. We're in this range. We're in this channel, I should say. I'm going to pull this a little bit lower. I'm going to go through that pivot right here. Actually, you could probably, I'm going to keep it right there. I'm going to go from this pivot here. So we've been in a range going down, high, lower high, lower high. So a little bit weak, but we're going to see going into earnings, guys. Gosh, look at this run, though. Look at these moves on these stocks, guys. It's insane. So right here, great area for a pullback going into earnings. Light volumes coming into the markets. This thing could grind higher. So just be careful. Be careful if you're trying to short. Weekly chart Amazon, pretty much the same picture. Had a great retrace, but same thing, 20 MA and the 50 MA here on the weekly going up into it. We had this nice inside bar with this bar and that one. The big area for Amazon is going to be 1779 to the 1800 area. If we get above there, then we could possibly retest the highs. If this thing stalls out here and comes right back in, remember, weekly chart time frame. And I went over Apple today. I went over Nvidia today. We haven't kissed this yet. Apple we did, but this one we have not come to this area. When you do not touch the 200 MA for years, eventually it will come down into it. Okay, this will keep curling up, I get that. Okay, but man, this thing comes right back down and comes right to that 200 MA. We're gonna figure out, yeah, right there, that's a great spot, guys. 950, 925. Oh man, that will be epic if we come down. I still think we have one more wave of some good selling, and then maybe a real good up move. I mean, we got 4 weeks of good, straight up, guys, on China trade news. Let's see what we get going into next week, and then the following week with earnings, guys. That Apple, Amazon, AMD, Caterpillar, some of the big boys are going to start popping off. Now, let's go to the monthly chart on Amazon. Remember, we always talked about the 20 MA. When it was up here, it was the 20 MA target. Boom, right hit it. Okay, that's why we were saying 1350, 1300 area. Boom, we're right there. Next area will be the 962 right in here, guys. Just a matter of time. We'll get there. Now, I don't think we'll get to here unless the whole world's falling apart. But 50 MA monthly chart, that will be the next target. Just like on the weekly, it's the 200 MA, same spot, 990. The 50 MA is at 960. Oh, I love this area. Just like I like the 350 area, guys. 1308, 1300 area. I still think we could get down here though, 1272. But nice run, guys. If you did buy calls or went long here, just start tightening the stop. We're into some really good resistance. Now it all depends on earnings with Amazon. So, all right, guys, again, don't forget to subscribe. Come to the live sessions. This is what we go over. We try to find trades as well. Whatever we're doing here, we're doing the exact same thing in our live sessions. Become a subscriber, like the video, and stop by, check us out. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.